it's Jessica Licona and the Licona team coming to you live from the Licona team headquarters. And we are hearing more and more questions around remodeling. And of course, most of the time that is leading to folks saying, I'm noticing different architectural styles I like. So we're seeing more and more squared off looks with doorways, windows, etc. With that being said, I thought what a relevant and perfect time to talk about replacement of windows, since we're seeing a lot of those folks that are owning homes from the 80s, 90s, early 2000s might start seeing the seals breaking in between the glass panes, or furthermore, they just might want a different look. No longer do they want the lines through it, they want the very clear picture windows. So I want to remind you that there's the concept of thinking about, do you want beauty or do you want low maintenance? And then within that category, do you want strength or do you want affordability? So I'm going to remind you, there are three different. There's wood, fiberglass, and vinyl. And typically the wood is seen as very expensive. It has the most beauty known to it. But if you want more strength, then you're probably looking at the fiberglass option. And then if cost is something that you're keeping in mind, then look for the vinyl option. I am here to tell you that there are a ton of window companies around town, but there might be another option for you to consider, which is getting a GC, a general contractor, to help you locate a window company that they then can retrofit by taking the stone or the brick off from around your house where you're going to be installing a window. And we're seeing more and more, like I said, where folks are taking the archways and they're making them more squared off. And so that requires you to have to pull brick and or stone. All that to say is, if you need window companies, I'm going to remind you, we're always happy to offer companies contacts, but keep in mind they're so backed up right now. And then if you ever need a good mason in your back pocket, we're absolutely happy to offer that as well. So remember us when you have any of those remodel questions. If you want to bounce ideas off of us, we are here and happy to help. Thanks for listening in, and I hope these tips were really helpful. Be well and take care. Bye-bye.